This is one of two power plants we have here today. Here in the Nevada power plant, we have 8 generators. Across the Colorado River, the Arizona power plant, there are 9 generators over there, one more than here, for a grand total of 17. Obviously, those are the generators in front of you. The light at the top indicates which one's operating at the moment. So it looks like this afternoon only 2 of the 8 operational. To accommodate those 8 generators, this building we're in is longer than 2 football fields, 650 feet all the way to the end, 8 stories tall. The generators themselves, 7 stories tall. You're just looking at the top part of each one. So what you're looking at down there is called a hydroelectric generator, meaning that thing operates by water power to turn the mechanism. So let me just briefly explain how we get electricity out of it. Going up and down the center of each one is a 65-foot long steel shaft, and it has a water wheel at the bottom of it. Now that water wheel is being turned right now by the water from Lake Mead, which by the way is behind your back, right behind the dam. So out there on the lake side are the intake towers I mentioned down below, take in the water as I speak. It flows downward through the penstock, gathering speed. By the time the water hits that water wheel, it's going 48 miles an hour. That turns the shaft, which then turns the rotor at the top of the generator, located in that circular red housing. So that rotor is made up of magnets, 40 electromagnets. Each magnet in that rotor down there weighs 4 tons. They're monsters. So because of that falling water, those magnets are now spinning in that housing. Windings called stators, which excite the electrons, and very simply, that is how we get our electricity. 130 megawatts per generator, allowing each generator to be able to light up about 65,000 homes. The majority of our electricity doesn't stay here locally. It winds up traveling to Southern California. So if you happen to live in LA, folks, any LA folks here? Okay, well, if you do, you're welcome. We're getting most of our power. Only about 25% stays here in Southern Nevada, but surprisingly, very little of that actually ends up in the city of Las Vegas. So all those lights that we're impressed with in Vegas, not really being powered by us here at Hoover Dam. And then, of course, Arizona being right next to us here, they also get their share of electricity. Now, obviously, things are bigger.